up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. It's time for another BUC-EE'S update. Let's see what they got done this week. We'll jump right into it. Sit back, relax, enjoy the flight, and let me know what you think down in the comments below. If you guys are digging these updates, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on that bell so you don't miss any future ones. Time for another BUC-EE'S fun fact of the week. Did you know that BUC-EE'S has some of the cleanest bathrooms in the nation? They have gained some massive acclaim over the years, even winning Centos's Best Bathroom Award in America in 2012. Now that's some clean restrooms. I have drone content on all the socials. Scan this QR code to check them out. This is a rendering of the end goal that they're going for. They're going to have 3 of these roundabouts total, one on either side of the interstate, and then another one to help alleviate traffic going in and out of BUC-EE'S. this is what they got started so far on the roundabouts. All right, that's going to wrap things up for this week's update. If you hung around for the whole thing, thank you. I appreciate it. Let me know down in the comments below if you guys are digging the BUC-EE'S Fun Fact of the Week. As always, safe flights out there. We'll see you in the next one. And if you want to keep going down this YouTube rabbit hole, it's picked another video for you right here.